Hey guys, welcome to Fly Paintball.
Paintball on the fly. Hey guys, welcome to Fly Paintball. This is Michael, and this is my new Victory. I'm going to be shooting it on semi-auto with the Ninja 5045 tank and a dive rotor. I also have the stock barrel on it, and the I don't have the 4C eyes in yet, so I'll put those in later on. But this is just straight out of the box, first shots I've ever taken with it. Thanks.